Diana Dobin, and I am CEO of Valley Forge. I also serve as the Chief Sustainability Officer for the organization. My Valley Forge name is Earth Mother.
The Valley Forge mission is to impact the happiness of travelers. We affect the experience of business people, vacationers, trekkers, families, people traveling alone or in groups, for good occasions and for bad. What we do here at Valley Forge really matters because we literally touch millions of people.
I'm really motivated by the joy and success of the people around me. From a very early age, my parents always taught us that to give back to the world and to people around you was a responsibility. Our company is 40 years old, and we sit in a place where we have created an incredible organization that is the largest in our space. Valley Forge is going to continue to grow, I think, even faster than the exponential growth that we have had over the past 10 years. Our culture is going to continue to dictate our growth. Collaboration between people, empowerment that everybody in our organization feels is only going to continue to spread. All of that is going to add to the great success that everybody as individuals feels here at Valley Forge. Maya Angelou said that people will forget what you said and people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel.